Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really nice light. This is a huge vertical light that you can use whether you're doing makeup or you need to see some details. I mean, really anything. It is actually adjustable, so you can just easily move this and bring it up or down. So that's really nice as far as your height. And the back of it has a nice metal. You've got a nice sturdy base here that is a non-slip area here. So that part is great as well. You also have this interesting part right here that you can detach this and just have it as a direct plug-in, or you can control it by putting this middle part in and use this little remote. Now, I'm going to show you just how bright this is because this thing is awesome. You click it on and so bright. I mean, you can see absolutely everything. So if you are doing your makeup, you've got a really nice bright light and it's adjustable. So if that's like blinding, you can easily just lower that down all the way down to 10%. I mean, if you just want more of a soft light to be able to do your work, that's great. Bring it up in stages, 20%, 40, 60, 80, and then all the way at its brightest. Another really nice feature is the fact that it has a timing function. So you can come in and do a timing. If you know that you're only going to be doing makeup for, say, 5 minutes, you put on a 5-minute timer, you set that on, you do your makeup, you do all the work that you need to do with your little light, and it will then shut off on its own. So that part is also really nice. But this is a nice height that you can set up to be able to do your hair, your makeup, whatever you're wanting to do, be able to see all the details. This beautiful, tall vanity light.